here from Mickey Art. I just got a parcel. Now, I don't normally do unboxing parcels type videos, but this is from Spoonflower, and for those of you that have been following my channel on YouTube for a while, you will have seen my video on the Spoonflower fabrics. Spoonflower is a company that prints your photo onto material. So you guys have seen in the past on my channel what they've made and what I've made with stuff in the past, but I've got a few bits and bobs here that I have purchased, and look, it's all wrapped up in little paper. So I just wanted to share with you what I've got, and all of these designs are now available on my Spoonflower shop. So if you are keen to check them out, then please do. First up is my purple flowers. Check it out. So this is printed on petal signature cotton, which is quite a thin, soft type, pliable type cotton. It sort of feels quite like a shooting material rather than a quilting material. It's not really thick, but it's you know, got some bias stretch, but no other because it's cotton. So that's what is called a fat quarter. You see that? Yep. So one of the things that, if you are putting your stuff up for sale on Spoonflower, you actually have to order it to make sure it comes out looking the colours that you were after. This is the one that I entered in the Kaleidoscope competition recently, and thank you all to those of you that voted on that. But yeah, I like it. It's funky. I have to find some use for that. Maybe I could make waxed covers, like beeswax bowl covers and stuff like that, or something. One down. I bought a few bits and bobs. Now, this one I'm quite excited about. I bought a couple of yards of this one. If I can get it. It's sticking to it. So this one is printed on organic cotton knit ultra. So I'll show you the fabric first. It's just like a thick t-shirt material, and once I get it all unpeeled from itself, it's only this first time that does that. Here's the design. It's kind of similar to the purple one, but it's not. It's much bigger in that it's almost like snowflakes. So you can imagine, you have to be careful where I place things. There we go. That's funky dunky. My sister was asking what the organic cotton material looked like, so I thought I'd order some and have. And there's only a yard there. I only ordered a yard of that, but it's like 56 inches wide or something silly like that. So that's enough to make a top out of, which is cool, or even a skirt. Be funky dunky. Goes with my t-shirt too. Look at that. I've been doing quite a bit of sewing lately. I'm really enjoying sewing. I'm enjoying adjusting patterns so that they cope with this, and actually having clothes that fit. It's really quite bizarre, you know. You go, well, I suppose not 40 years of boobs, but probably at least a good 30 years of having clothes not fit right. And it's really nice to have clothes that fit nice. Now, those of you that don't have that problem won't understand, but that's okay. Now this one here, let me get you close so you can see the design. I just have done this one in strips, as you can see, and I have absolutely no intention of just wearing a top that looks like that. What I bought this for, and this one is in their satin, yep, just straight satin it's called, and it feels really nice. But what I'm going to do with this is cut those bands into bands and put them on things like a belt line on a plain black dress, or round the hem of pants, just to give a flash of colour, something interesting or funky dunky. So that's my intention for those. That's cool. And then I also, you remember about a month ago I asked if you guys would contribute to the voting on the tea towel. So I ordered some tea towels. Now these are huge. But this is on the linen cotton canvas this is. So I bought 2 yards of this, which, because the designs were for a half yard, or a quarter yard, that gives me 8 of these. How much fun can I have today? Tea towels. So if you want one of those, let me know. I haven't priced them yet, and I haven't sewn them up yet. So let me know if you would like one. They are big. But they would also look really good framed, hung on a wall, just as a poster. So that is what those are for. Yeah, so let me know in the comments what your favorites are and what you would you know. And also, oh no, oh that's stupid, Michelle. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I did that. You guys may have spotted it already. When I uploaded it, I put it in mirror so that the two sides blended together and made a pretty join. But can you see what's happened? Well, other than the words are upside down right now. Let me turn them around the right way so that you can see. They're back to front. So I only actually have 4 that are the right way. And if you're looking for collectibles in the future, Michelle stuffed up collectibles, you know how coins that have been misprinted are really, really valuable. Maybe my one-off one-time mistake where Michelle prints for, I can't believe I did that. It's insane. That's really funny. How did I make that mistake? Normally it wouldn't be an issue at all because it would just be an image, and I haven't printed with words on before. Oh, that's funny. Okay, I don't believe I did that. So I've only got 4 the right way. But that's so funny. How's it getting any better than that? What's right about this I'm not getting? So there you go. I am not infallible. Proof is in the pudding. How does it get better than this? They are giant tea towels though. Like that's a fat quarter. So that would make a really big tea towel. That's funny. I'm glad I left that one to last and recognised that before you guys all put it in the comments that I'd done it. That would have been even funnier. But I'm looking forward to playing with these fabrics. At least this one repeats properly. And this one repeats properly. And this one repeats properly. I don't believe I did that. That's so funny. How does it get better than that? Oh, I'm going to be giggling about that all day. So, what's my hair doing? It's doing something weird, sticky uppy thing. Anyway, there we go. The link is in the description below if you want to go and check out my my Spoonflower store. And I've got other stuff already in that. Go check it out. I adore you guys. Thanks for playing. And I will see you again super soon.